Alright guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Simo here, and today I am going to be painting the rocker cover on my 1.6 8-valve CBH engine out of my Ford Escort RS Turbo. As all of you know, and you can see in the corner of the video here, the red wing mirror indicates that it's a Series 2, not a Series 1, basically because, well, it's a Series 2 wing mirror and none of the Series 1s came in any color apart from white. So like I said, today I'm going to be removing the rocker cover, I'm going to be painting that, and I'm going to be getting the intake manifold and throttle body ready for paint as well. So let's cue the intro and get stuck into today's video. Now I gotta ride or die. Righto, so first up, going to remove this cam belt cover. Yes, I will be replacing that partially green cam belt. Then I needed to remove the bolts for the rocker cover. Some of them are actually pretty loose, and I'm surprised that it wasn't leaking, but it sealed pretty good on the rubber gasket, but I will be replacing that with a cork one because that's what came in my kit. So just using a bit of heat now just to get that sticker off the end of the cam cover, and then a sand-in wheel just to sand down some of the high spots on the cover, and then just using some wet and dry to scuff it all up a bit. And I've got heaps of degreaser there as well, just cleaning it off. Every now and then I nick off to the hose, give it a good old rinse off. But as you can see, it comes up pretty nice and clean with basically neat degreaser that's supposed to be watered down. But came up pretty nice. Now just going to let it dry out in the sun while I clean off the intake manifold. So this is just the EFI intake manifold from a Fiesta RS Turbo, and just removing everything just so I can clean it down with a wire wheel. I did stick it in the vise because it did become basically just a whole heap easier just to clean it in the vise with the wire wheel because it wasn't moving around the bench. So now the cover's all dry and it's been baked in the sun for a bit. I'm going to paint it now with the green paint. I don't ever use a primer on rocker covers. I've always used this paint and I've never used a primer, and it always comes out really nice and never chips. You just got to make sure that you hit it with a high temp clear coat, and it gives it a really nice hard shell that doesn't chip or rub off inside your engine bay. Righto, so first coat is on the rocker cover, the cam cover, whatever you want to call it. Looks mean. Really happy. Think it's going to look mega with a black crossover pipe and the black throttle body and intake manifold. Think it's going to look absolute mega, which is cool. So like I said, first coat's on. I'm going to wait for that to dry. I'm going to bake it out in the sun because it's summer here in Australia. It's mega hot. I'm going to do another coat on that tomorrow, and then also going to finish off the intake manifold, which is in here. This way. So this is the top of the intake manifold, obviously you guys know that. So this is all going to be black. This is going to be polished, and then the EFI here is going to be green. This is obviously going to be black as well. Again, this is going to be black. I'm going to black out everything, so I'm going to take the cable harness, coupling, whatever you want to call it, off. I'm going to clean that up. I'll see how it looks because it's obviously like zinc plated from the manufacturers, but I can't be bothered getting it zinc plated again, so I'll clean it up, see how it looks. Might keep it like that. Not sure what I'm going to do with that bit yet. This bit, again, black, it's all going to be like super stealth looking. And then got my injector rail here. Apparently these are from a Focus. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm not 100% sure. They're cream injectors, and the part number is here. There. Let me know if you know what these are from in the comments down below. But the fuel rail is also going to be green, so it's going to be all black with the green cover, and then there's going to be a little bit of green poking through all the black, with the fuel rail being fluorescent green as well. I've already kind of cleaned out a little bit in there, but I'm going to finish that off, cleaning it all up properly, re-seam sealing everything. Going to get rid of all that seam sealer, re-seam seal it all. It's pretty solid in there, but I'm just going to clean it all up with a proper wheel, so like a grinding wheel. Clean all this up and repaint all of this in here, remove all of this obviously so I don't get any overspray on it. Pretty much similar to what I did on this side here, because this side was much the same as that side, so I'm pretty much going to do the same there. And then I've got this front piece here to replace, and I'll grab that. I've got the replacement piece as well sitting on the parcel shelf. I've got a parcel shelf here, guys, with nothing cut out of it, which is absolutely mega. I'm going to leave a link for this panel in the comments below of the YouTube video. That way, or is it that way? Nope, it's that way. So that is the new piece there. So basically you're gonna clean all of this off, take out the washer bottle, clean all of that off, drill the spot welds out so I can take this out, take this off, and then remove these. And I figure what I'm gonna do so I line it up properly is I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna bolt these brackets in to the new one and let it sit there just so I can tack weld it in so it's all in line. I figure that's probably the easiest way to do that, but if there is an easy way, please, again, drop it in the comment section and let me know below. This is the biggest project that I've ever undertaken on a car. I've never gone this far on a car before. I probably have gone as deep as a full top end rebuild on an 89 Toyota Supra Turbo. That's like the furthest I've ever gone before I got my hands on this Ford Escort. But I'm loving every minute of it. I'm loving learning. I'm loving sharing the journey with you guys at home in the UK, the US, and Australia as well. So thank you so much for being here. This is the end of the video. If you're still here, you must like it. And if you're not subscribed and you're still here, you should subscribe to get notifications of when I upload more videos. Peace out, guys. See you next week.